basically, and briefly talk about the pieces that we've just had. Yeah? So let me start with Jackson on the far left.
Okay, so my name is Jackson Asoro. I am a musician. I also make videos, but most importantly, over the years since I came to Uganda in 2016, I've been running this organization called Platform Africa that I talked about earlier. Our work basically is creating platforms, and through this project, Kifaya, which I'm gonna go into depth in later, through this project we bring musicians together to advocate for peace. And in this one specific song that you guys heard, this was an exercise where we brought 8 musicians together for a residency style workshop. We brought musicians together, they locked in, they lived together, and we took them through these workshops. And for us, these workshops were very important to empower their skills as peace builders, but also really importantly, we think that anyone can create change. Usually when something happens, conflict like our case in South Sudan, the question is like, what can we do? And for some people, there's politicians who can pull levers and do something and make a change. But for a lot of us, we feel helpless. But we think that through music, there is a power, right? We bring musicians together, they're able to create these kinds of songs. So this song is called Where Did We Go Wrong? These musicians came together and they looked at the history of South Sudan, the conflicts that have been in and out, and they kind of reflected on where their vision was before this conflict. Before 2013, some of us thought that by now we'll be doctors because we thought opportunities for education were going to open up. Some of us were running shops and institutions, and then this conflict sort of resetted that development, that vision that everyone had. So people are asking in this song, where did we go wrong?